Do you want to look as good as me one day?
No!
Well, check out my new and improved Buttercream Fiber Optic Translucent Suntan Lotion for only $39.95 times 10. May cause bleeding of the eyes and kneecap poison. I mean, you probably gonna die, but that's okay because God has the final say. Oh yeah, and shipping and handling not included.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy, Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Are you tired of people saying, buy my course? I know y'all just sick and tired of hearing, buy my course. Well, I'm gonna show you today how to trade Forex without buying anybody's course. Don't need IML to trade Forex. Don't need no Forex guru, quote unquote, including myself, which I never call myself a guru because I'm not. But you don't need any Forex expert, right? You don't need their course to trade Forex. So I'm gonna show you how to do it today. By the way, if you got a tropical smoothie in your state, you need to go there because these smoothies is smacking. This mango, strawberry, whatever this is, fire. All right, so let's get into it. So how do you trade Forex without a course? The first thing we need to talk about is getting yourself a broker. Now there's two types of broker. You got regulated and unregulated. What's the difference? Regulated is regulated with the state, the country. Unregulated is not regulated by nobody. I mean, they doing their own thing. So if something happened, your money pretty much gone. All right, another difference between the two is regulated is a lot more strict as far as like the leverage, but it does keep your account safer. Unregulated gives you higher leverage and you can blow your account a lot faster, but you can trade, you know, bigger lots and stuff like that. So those are the main differences, right? Which one should you choose? That's gonna be based off of you. I myself personally, I use unregulated brokers as many other traders. Some traders use, you know, regulated brokers. It just depends on who you are, what it is you want to do. So let's go over two brokers that I recommend. So here is Oanda. This is the regulated broker. You can come to their website. Honestly, I've never traded on this broker, so I can't really tell you too much about it. I do know a couple people who've traded on it said it's okay, but they prefer unregulated, just keeping it on it, just because these is really, you know, strict. But like I said, it does keep you a little safer on your account and things like that. And you'll be good, right? So I can't really tell you too much about Oanda because honestly, I don't use it, just keep it 100 with y'all. But this next one is FX Sway. This is the broker that I'm currently using. Really dope broker. Like I said, once you come here, you can just sign up. Very simple, it's very easy to use. If you ever want to click on the little thing up here, you can click on MetaTrader 4 trading platform. This is how you're going to be able to download your trading platform. So you can come here. You could do Windows if you got a Windows computer, or you could do the web trader if you're trading on a computer. Also, they got the, you know, Mac on the phone and the Android that you'll be able to download as well. And so once you get all signed up with here, usually on the brokers, whenever you sign up, you will have to send in a driver's license and you will have to send in a copy of a bill, maybe electric bill or something like that that's in your name. If you're younger, you may have to have your parents do it or something like that. But you'll be able to send that in, they'll verify your account, and then you're able to start depositing money and withdrawing. But once you click on this, once you click on, let's say I click on Windows, as you can see right here at the bottom, it downloads, and then I can actually just click on this and start setting it up, setting the account up. Once it comes up, it will look like this. Once it comes up, you'll just be able to click next and all that. I ain't gonna go through it because I already got it on my computer. But once it's set up on your computer, it's lit. It's game time. Like I said, you will need to do the demo account first. I always recommend doing demo first, practicing. You will have to learn how to set your account, your like official, you know, account up like this. Yeah, once your account is actually pulled up, you'll be able to right click on the chart, go to properties, change the candlestick colors and all that, just to get it how you want it. From there, you good to go. Like I say, it's ready, you ready to trade, you ready to get it in. So from that point, like I said, practice at least a couple months, man, at least 2 months, at least in the demo. Really get it in, unless you really feel like, my rule of thumb is if you can win a trade at least 5 to 10 times in a row, then you may be ready. So then by that time you can really, if you can execute the strategy how you like it, and you really feel like you grasp the concept of whatever strategy you're doing, and you can make multiple trades, like at least 5 in a row, profitable. Then you're able to go in there into the real markets and mess around and see, what it's looking like. So that's how you set up your account. Now, after you got your brokers and you downloaded everything that you need to download, you can pretty much deposit, your money into the program. But before that, you need to be trading on a demo account. So once you make your demo account, you're good to go. Now the training begins. You can get on youtube.com, right? And you can go to Rainer Teo. I think that's how you say his name. He has a lot of basic information on how to trade Forex, how, to use moving averages, how to the candlesticks, all that. You can also type in Japanese candlestick patterns. You can look up Japanese candlestick patterns. You can go to babypips.com and read if you like to read. So you have all these different resources for free that you can go out, look, find information on how to be able to trade Forex without having a course. Another thing you can do is look up my FX book, right? This is pretty much gonna tell you when high news is in the market. So whenever you got high news, you know whether to trade it or not to trade it, whether to stay in, stay out. That's gonna definitely help you, because a lot of people and a lot of new traders miss that because most people don't even tell them about it. So when they see that long 40-foot candlestick and they wipe their account out, then they're like, bruh. So that'll save you a lot of trouble. A bit of advice that I would give to anybody that's looking to trade: don't watch too many people. And if you do find a strategy that you like, find a strategy that works for you and that has worked, continue to use it, continue to perfect it. Because when you start watching too many different people, you're gonna always be switching up your style of trading based off of somebody else is doing. If it made you money once, it can make you money again. You know what I'm saying? So once you find the certain niche, the certain, craftiness of whatever it is that you're trying to do, once you find that and you like it and it works and makes you money, stick to that. Don't go on other, Forex traders' Instagrams and start seeing they mega profits and feel like, man, I need to be doing that. Because that's how you get your account blown. Trying to trade like everybody else. Find your lane, find your niche, find your purpose, find out what it is that your goal is with Forex. Because Forex, for most people, is not going to be the end all be all. It will not be the thing that makes you $1 million, right? But it is a vehicle that you can make money in to transfer money other places. For instance, you might trade Forex, you might take the profits out, put it into stocks. You might trade Forex, take the profit out, put it in real estate. You might have a hair business, you might have a clothing business. Forex is just a vehicle for you to be able to make that money, take it out and go do other things with it. You know what I'm saying? Majority of the people we know are not extra profitable in Forex. That's just facts. They're profitable, but then they become unprofitable. They make money and then they lose it. So when you make money, take it out and put it somewhere else. That's the key. That's the key. Now, you might have a question as to why do people buy courses? Now, I will tell you this. Buying a course does not make you a weirdo. Selling a course does not make you a weirdo, especially if you do exactly what you say. The reason why people buy a course is because it cuts the learning curve short. Most people are lazy by nature, keeping it 100. Most people are not gonna wanna go out there and search and find all this stuff when somebody who already's done it has something that they can just follow, a blueprint to follow, right? So if somebody is making money in the market, whether somebody made $30 or whether they made $100, if they made the money and they know how they made it, they can then teach it, right? The reason why people buy is because it cuts that learning curve short. Right? They're not forced to buy it. They buy it because they want to. But instead of them spending 2 or 3 years trying to learn the basics and finally getting it down 3 years later, somebody who's already done it has already provided a blueprint for them to follow. And that's why people buy courses. But do you have to buy a course to trade Forex? No. Do you have to join the IM Academy to trade Forex? No. You can trade Forex without doing any of that stuff. It's really just up to you. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all watching this video. Go out, do your thing, go make money in these markets, and I'll see you on another video. Peace.